Cheers to all of the local home service businesses that are doing Google's local service ads. And if you're doing emergency services and you're not getting enough book jobs, it actually might not be your ads, but it might be your response time. Now, hold my vodka a second while I tell you this very, very newsworthy story that could actually save you and get you more leads, more book jobs. So let's use garage door as an example. So let's say a homeowner's trapped in his garage. They click on get quote from 3 companies all at once. So let's say you call them back within 20 or 30 minutes. It's already too late for them. They've already talked to somebody else. They've already booked the job and they've already moved on. And it gets worse. So when you respond slowly, Google shows this to that homeowner and it says typically responds back within an hour or so. And that is what the homeowners see. So if they're having an emergency, they're not going to call you because they need somebody right away. And Google then lowers your listing, your ranking in that sponsored ad. So what we've done is we've actually created an entire speed to lead blueprint for you that we actually use for our clients, where you can actually get sponsored stops and get the homeowners to talk to you before your competitors, and then turn that same ad into 3 times more book jobs. So we have it all in this blueprint. So if you would like this and you are spending more than $3,000 a month on Google's ads and you want more book jobs without increasing your budget, you're gonna want to get our speed to lead blueprint. And so just comment below with blueprint and I'm going to send it your way. Okay.